Escaramuza is the female counterpart of the Mexican cowboy. We can do anything the man can do, but we do it side saddle with one leg.
The Escaramuza give a really nice touch of fiesta.
Suba, 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 suba.
I think it's one of the hardest things you can do while still claiming to have a good time, that's for sure.
Shoulders!
You can have expensive hobbies and you can have dangerous hobbies, but if you're gonna have an expensive and dangerous hobby, you gotta be in it for the love of the game. This is, as expensive and as dangerous as it gets. And for a lot of these girls, this is a way of life.
The sport of escaramuza dates back to the 1950s and is the only event for women within the charreria, or Mexican rodeo. Charreria is Mexico's national sport and is deeply rooted in tradition. Juan Pina, who is from the state of Zacatecas, was born into the sport and brought it with him to Iowa in 2007.
It's a 100% family sport. So I grew up with it. I inherited to Alejandra in this case. We start back then, when I moved in 2007, it was only 2 or 3 teams max. Now we have 8 teams of charros and 4 teams of escaramuzas.
Escaramuza consists of a team of women who perform choreographed maneuvers around a lienzo, or circular arena, while riding side saddle. A routine can last anywhere from 3 to 7 minutes and consists of a series of coordinated tricks such as turns and crosses. Teams are judged on synchronization, execution, timing, symmetry, and presentation.
Who am I missing? Wendy. The routines themselves, they are designed to impress. You're going fast and you're in these tight crosses where the only thing that's keeping you from being bowled over by your teammate is a hope and a prayer and a couple of practices.
Coming even!
It's an incredibly difficult and nerve-wracking. I'm just watching my girls do these tight cruces where they're crossing right in front of each other. My breath catches.
Get closer, Rachel, get closer, get closer.
As far as the things you have to do, I think the judges do expect to see an abanico. That's a staple. It's one of the most beautiful maneuvers, and it really is one of those that consolidates all of the work and all the timing and the beauty. When they're all in that line and you're galloping around in that beautiful, big, smooth motion, it looks fantastic.
Entro, uno, dos, tres. I would describe it as a gentle ballet with horses, but at the same time you're synchronizing it with your team. We bring the elegance, the simplicity, the beauty of the sport into the arena. The women, we're as fierce as the charros are, but our outfits are very sophisticated. There's so many rules to our outfits, to our sport, that they don't even know. So these are all my dresses that I've used this term as Queen of Iowa and Delegada, so the female coordinator for the state of Iowa. This is my most recent dress that I just got here in May.
The dresses that charras wear for competitions are inspired by the Adelitas, who were women who fought in the Mexican Revolution in the early 1900s. Most of the outfits are made by talented dressmakers in Mexico.
Everything's handmade, so all this fabric is handmade, very detailed, made back in Chiapas.
Today, we're making history for the first time ever. The charros and the escaramuzas, we're showing some of our culture here in the state fair.
Quetzalli, once you have your dresses on, come over here for a team huddle, please.
We're gonna do the exact same thing we always do to the exact same level. It's that perfection. We've worked on it, we've strived for it, we've achieved it. Carry it over. Do not let the nerves get you, okay? Culture should be appreciated no matter who you are, what culture you're from. It's the same as you don't have to be Mexican to enjoy Mexican food. You just have to have taste buds. It's for everybody. You'll find something that'll appeal to you. You'll find something that'll, touch your heart in this. It could be the horsemanship, it could be the beauty, it could be, the fashion. There's something for everybody, and you don't have to be Latina or Latino just to participate. We accept everybody with open arms. the same that we want to be accepted. That's why we're doing all these things, is to bring our culture to the forefront. It's to bring this beautiful community into the public eye.
Thank you everyone for being here. We're gonna get started right away.
It's our passion. We really love it so much, and we wanted to share with the Iowa. You know, seeing where we came from, our culture, keep our roots.
And they are Escaramuza Quetzalli, sí señor.
I love the passion, I love the adrenaline. It's put me in very uncomfortable positions that I would not have ever put myself in. And at the end of the day, I grow and I learned a lot of things. Escaramuza is about fierce women, fierce individuals that if they set their mind to it, they can do it.
You know, having her doing this, I just like feel really, really proud of her, because she got this passion for this sport, and I just can't tell you enough how proud I feel.
It demands perfection, and I think it pushes the girls to strive for that perfection. And in doing so, they truly do become better versions of themselves, able to, you know, have applicable skills that serve them well in life and as horsewomen and in any career they want to do. I, you know, joke with them about it. Whatever you're doing tomorrow is not as hard as you're doing right now. So I think it really is fantastic for just teaching wonderful, wonderful life skills.
It's just not about charrería, it's about yourself, pushing yourself to the limit and trying new things and knowing that you can do that and have that confidence in you.